Keys, step out of the vehicle. Unbuckle, step out of the vehicle.
Hey, get away from me!
Joel here with BodyCam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from BodyCam Pro. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What begins as a speeding stop changes direction when the driver refuses repeated instructions to hand over her keys or exit the vehicle, forcing officers to decide what comes next. The breakdown starts now.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Sir, I'm trying to find it right now. Here's my license.
Thank you, ma'am.
This initial conversation gives officers their first opportunity to verify the driver's information while assessing whether the stop is likely to remain routine or require closer attention.
You know why I stopped you?
No, sir.
No? You were driving pretty fast. You know what the speed limit is here?
I see it says 55.
You were doing upwards of 80.
Explaining the reason for the stop isn't just procedure, it gives the driver a clear understanding of why the encounter began and helps establish the focus of the investigation from the outset.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have your registration?
I don't think so. I don't know what it looks like.
Okay. Well, just do me a favor. Just see if you can't find it.
Can I ask why? Yeah, you need to.
When a driver focuses on something other than a straightforward request, it can delay the stop and draw the officer's attention to what may be causing the distraction.
Why? Am I going to go to jail? Why am I? No.
Just hand me your keys. Just hand me your keys. Hey,
Give me my. What are you doing?
Hand me your keys.
No! Get away from me!
Ma'am, give me your keys.
Get away from me!
Give me your keys.
The moment the driver's attention shifts away from the officer's instructions, the stop takes on a different dynamic. Officers move to regain control early because delays and divided attention can quickly limit their ability to safely manage the encounter.
Away from.
Give me your keys.
He has
Ma'am.
my keys. He has my keys. Mom.
No one has your keys. Step out of the vehicle. Unbuckle, step out of the vehicle.
Hey, get away
Ma'am,
from me!
unbuckle, step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Get away from me!
Step out of the vehicle.
Out! Hey!
Step out of the
Can
vehicle.
y'all let me go so that I can get out?
Once repeated commands aren't producing compliance, officers have fewer practical options available. Removing the driver becomes a way to regain control of the encounter and continue the stop without allowing the delay to continue.
No!
Move your hand.
Hey
Move your
Siri,
hand.
call Auntie Pooh!
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the
Okay,
vehicle.
you're dragging me out of the
Because
car!
you're not listening.
No, that's
Put your hands
not
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Hey!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey! What are y'all doing?
Why are you not listening? Let go of the phone. Let go of the phone.
Oh my gosh!
When someone resists during handcuffing, officers typically shift their focus from communication to gaining physical control. Securing the person's hands reduces movement and allows the encounter to proceed more safely for everyone involved.
Huh?
Ow! Please help!
Just relax.
No,
Relax.
what are you guys doing?
You're not listening.
Why am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest? Ah! Hey Siri, call Auntie Pooh! Hey Siri, call Auntie Pooh!
The incident concluded with the driver being taken into custody after officers gained control of the situation. According to the reported case outcome, she was charged with resisting arrest with violence and reckless driving. This encounter shows how quickly a routine traffic stop can change when communication breaks down and compliance is delayed. Once that happens, officers must shift their focus from investigating the violation to safely bringing the encounter under control. What are your thoughts on how officers handled this incident? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think officers handled this one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.